Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Remove the 6 Phillips head screws around the edge of the glove box assembly. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Pry the metal clip off with a screwdriver. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1166 filters into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the car. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the metal clip. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.